First case given in the syllabus is strong acids and weak bases. pH formula. Ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, copper 2 sulfate, etc. are the salts of this type. First question. Examples of strong acid and weak bases. They hydrolyze in water to form acidic solution. Second, fill in the blank question. Strong acids and weak bases, when ionized, what kind of a solution it forms? Acidic, alkaline, neutral? Choose the correct answer. The hydrolysis of this type of salts can easily be understood by taking the example of ammonium chloride. When the explanation is conducted using a general formula and deriving an equation for pH, after you derive the general formula using the general salt and the pH, you should do the same thing, repeat it with ammonium chloride. Then only you will get thorough with the derivation. That is the second point that you have to do. First explanation I will give you. After that, deriving the pH, you should do by yourself ammonium chloride. Then do the assignment given at the end of this chapter. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl is the salt of a strong acid HCl and a weak base NH4OH. It dissociates almost completely in aqueous solution and forms NH4 plus and Cl minus. That is the ionization. NH4Cl undergoes ionization and form NH4 plus and Cl minus. Next, in order to derive the equation, you should know a new word called conjugate pair. We already know that you should know pH, you should know equilibrium constant of acid, ionic product of water, hydrolysis constant, degree of hydrolysis. In addition to that, you should know the conjugate pair of acids and base. According to the Bronsted-Lowry concept, acid-base relationship can be expressed as acid on ionization gives base plus H plus. That means acids are substances which can give a base and a proton. That is the definition. Therefore, bases are substances which can accept H plus ion and can give an acid. That is the Bronsted-Lowry concept. Every acid changes into a base. Fill in the blank question. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, every acid changes into a base after releasing one proton, and every base on accepting a proton changes into an acid. Acids and bases thus exist in pairs, and these pairs are called conjugate pairs. Define. What is meant by conjugate pair? The basic theory is based on Bronsted-Lowry concept, and the equation is this to represent Bronsted-Lowry concept. A conjugate may be termed as a chemical species that differs from other only in the extent of transferred proton. That means that this pair, acid and base, differ only in the presence of this H plus ion. Bases accept H plus ion and acids donate or give away the H plus proton. There is no other difference between the acid and the base. Thus, the conjugate acid differs from the conjugate base by one proton and vice versa. That is the difference between acid and base. Acid and base, according to Lowry's concept, distinguish the acid and base according to Bronsted-Lowry concept. NH4 plus ionizes and forms NH3 plus H plus. This is ionization. We can consider this as a conjugate pair. NH4 is considered as an acid and NH3 is considered as a base. NH4 is considered as an acid because it can give H plus ion, and NH3 is considered as a base because it can accept H plus ion. This theory is required for our derivation. NH4 plus ion being the conjugate of a weak base, NH4OH acts as a strong acid and takes up NH4 ions furnished by the water to form weakly dissociated NH4OH. See, NH4OH is an acid. Therefore, it in a water molecule, it will take only OH. That means acid and base only react. Therefore, it takes away all the OH from the water and becomes NH4OH and H plus is released. In order to compensate the decrease of OH minus ion, the undissociated water molecules get further dissociated into to maintain the constant value of Kw. We know that Kw is equal to the product of H plus and OH minus ion. This is equal. The concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in water is equal. But when NH4 start taking the OH minus ion, there will be excess of H plus. Therefore, this increases the concentration of H plus ion and the solution consequently becomes acidic. The give reason question, why strong acid and weak base? The heading is strong acid and weak base. The solution is acidic in nature. Why? Because of this reason. That means in this example, NH4 takes away all the OH from the water and form ammonium hydroxide because it is an acid. And H plus is liberated. The increase in concentration of H plus is the reason for the acidic nature of the solution.